Welcome! Today, I am taking you into the field to investigate the social intelligence of the pygmy goat. These animals, originally from West Africa, are far more than just compact, charming farm animals. They have evolved into highly intelligent, active herd members that rely on fascinating, complex language of signals and social hierarchies to thrive. Over the next few minutes, I'll be integrating communication theory with my own field observations to show you exactly how these goats navigate their world. If we want to understand how these goats talk, we have to look past the breathing and focus on the physical. In my field observations, I discovered that their real language is almost entirely visual. Think of their ears as a living signal system. When I saw ears perked forward, the goats would come and scanning the horizon. But the moment I saw those ears pin flat against the head, it was like a switch flip. It was a clear, non-negotiable signal of submission or an immediate warning that a fight was brewing. Then there's the tail. It's an honest indicator of their emotional state. A relaxed, neutral tail is just routine herd behavior. But when I saw that tail go rigid or start clicking with that sharp, rapid intensity, that was my cue that an escalation was coming. Usually, a high stakes sent off for prime position at the feeding station. But what happens when these signals are put to work? This is where the social structure of the herd really comes to life. I observe a distinct and linear hierarchy. This structure is the herd's way of keeping the peace by establishing who gets priority access to food or the best resting spots. They minimize the need for constant and energy-draining physical conflicts. I also watch for what scientists call allogromy. Think of this as the goat's version of a social handshake. It is essential, stress-reducing act that reinforces deep bonds between members and keeping the herd a cohesive unit. The last one, for the younger kids, play is much more than just having fun. In my observations, I saw that this play is actually a crucial life skills rehearsal. This is how they practice the fighting techniques and social roles they will rely on once they reach adulthood. In summary, my research confirms that pygmy goat survival depends on an intricate balance of subtle signaling and structured social cooperation. These animals are far more socially connected and intelligent than they are often given credit for. That's all. Thank you for watching.